So one of the things we're putting in the van is to soundproof it using Kilmat. We already have a little bit of it down in the front, but as you can see, the back is completely empty of Kilmat. There's a tiny little bit right there, but otherwise it is just wide open van. So we're gonna go for a ride. I got a decibel meter on my phone. We're gonna record the sound. I'm not wearing a microphone because I want you to be able to hear what it sounds like in here. And then after we get all this Kilmat installed, we're gonna do another test. Hopefully it's gonna show a different, a much better, lower decibel rating, and it'll just sound a lot better with our camera. So first step is take a little ride and get a score. Of 76.2 with a max of 85.6. And that was definitely while we were going 70 miles an hour on the interstate. Stay tuned for part 2.
It's time for the post test. We've got about 95% of the Kilmat installed in here. We're going to do the exact same loop that we did previously and see what it looks like on Adrian's decibel meter. Let's go. So our final numbers in the post test are an average of 74.4. It's probably skewed just a little bit because we missed the very first part. A heater fell over in here and we had to restart. But it's probably going to be somewhere around a 73 average. In the pre-test, our average was about 76. So we're at least 2 to 3 decibels lower after all this Kilmat install. We had a max previously when we were on interstate of about 85 or 86, and now we've got a max of 82. The main thing is Adrian and I can hear each other better when we're driving. And that's really big because I can actually hear her. I hope that it's pretty obvious in the video that we can hear each other better and the sound is deadened, but the decibel meter obviously showed it. We totally expect it to be even quieter in here whenever we install the installation and put up some wall panels. So pretty excited to keep this moving forward. This is just the first steps, so make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. If you like what we're doing, obviously give us a thumbs up. Drop a comment below. Let us know what you think, if you think we ought to do anything different, or if you like what we're doing. Make sure you share all these videos with your friends, and thanks for watching.